Hi, this is GB and GB's Adventures. A group of ravens is called an unkindness or a conspiracy. The term unkindness likely stems from the bird's historical association with death and bad omens, while conspiracy might reflect their perceived cunning and intelligence. Ravens can sometimes be problematic for other wildlife. Ravens are opportunistic feeders and often prey on the eggs and the young of other birds. This can have a significant impact on populations of species that are already vulnerable or in decline. Ravens are highly adaptable and can thrive in various environments, sometimes outcompeting other species for food and resources. This can lead to reduced food availability for other wildlife. Despite these challenges, ravens also play an important role in the ecosystem by helping to clean up carrion and waste. So please, enjoy and appreciate ravens, their beautiful flight, their adaptability, but please don't feed them. So much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, would you please subscribe by clicking on my picture?